Alright, what's up, traders? So I thought I'd just show you guys one way of, making a watch list. So one way would probably be, you set a goal, you say, okay, I'm not going to trade any stocks that are over $5. So boom, you already have your criteria, you already know what you want. So start marking down UNIS, start marking down ships, start marking down tops, and the list goes on. And after you start marking those down, look at your indicators and see which one is oversold, which one is actually worth your time, which one moves, I would say which one has the most volatility, so which one is the best for the bang for your buck. And definitely, start to choose those on your watch list for tomorrow. But I definitely would put a red flag on UNIS, simply because the stock has been down all day. There was no buyers coming in and stepping up. Usually you get some kind of dip buying going on and some kind of rally of shares, maybe even a 20% move, since the company is down over 75%, but that's definitely a hit, and it looks like the company share price is going to stay that way, so that's definitely a red flag. Doesn't look like you might see some action tomorrow, but I don't think it'll be worth your time. So put a red flag next to that one and just keep going down the list and seeing which one is actually worth your time, which one has the volatility that you need to meet your goals for the week or meet your goals for that day. Alright, and after we have our list, we want to make sure that we're putting it into our chart, so that way our indicators can read us if that move tomorrow will be profitable for us, or if it'll be a waste of our time. So it's definitely something that we want to do. So as we make our watch list, we want to start putting in our charts to see which price will be a best point to get in, and also see if it's oversold, overbought. Whatever indicators you use, whatever is helpful for you, make sure that you're using those, so that way when to buy the stock or when to sell it, or when to stay away from the stock, pretty much. So we don't want to buy the stock blindly, because that's definitely a recipe for a loss. Let's say that you like banks a lot. So you look at Bank of America, you look at Goldman Sachs, and you're like, man, I really like all these companies, but I hate to choose. Well, you don't have to choose. You can buy the XLF. This is definitely the whole financial sector, so you'll be super invested in all the bank stocks that you want, and you can just hold that over time. And if you say, okay, maybe I want to have a broad-based type of technology trade, you can definitely buy the technology ETF. Remember, they have all types of ETFs that follow different sectors, and you can make money just like that. You don't have to actually invest in different types of stocks, so that way you can get a high percentage return. These ETFs are super helpful because they help you to be diverse in all sectors, and you can just take advantage of that and buy those, and you can just put those on your watch list. So whenever you see a sector that's getting hit really hard, you'll see the ETF that's down a certain amount of percent. I know it's low volatile, it's less risky for you to go ahead and buy these shares than rather buying Apple, and Apple comes out and they say, okay, we don't think we're going to sell as many iPhones as we thought. Apple's stock price probably shoots down 10%, and since you have ownership in that company, and you're not holding a broad-based type of investment, you're going to take that 10% hit, rather than taking the XLK, and maybe the XLK being down less than 1%, or depending on whatever percentage Apple's located in the XLK. So remember, when you look at the ETFs, they're highly diversified, and they're better than just holding one type of stock. They definitely give you a more diverse investment portfolio. So remember, check those out. If this video was helpful, go ahead and comment and let me know. But if you want me to do more videos on ETFs, or if you want me to do more videos on penny stocks, let me know, so that way I can actually start to look these things up, so that way I can be better prepared for the videos. So take care, guys.